That girl! Come here! I want to get my feet wet for you. That girl! Cinder! Hey, I'm over here. Come here, I'm over here. Hey, come here. Come here, Cinder. Come here. Cinder. Come on. Dad's over here. That girl. Good girl. Good. 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 Come on, Cinder. That girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Bring it over. Bring it. Cinder. Hey, right here, right here, right here. Come on, bring it rest away. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Here, hey, Cinder. Not to the judge. Not to the judge. No, that's fine. Not to the judge. Did I carry?
Don't interrupt Cinder when she's trying to keep up.
Hey! Cinder, I'm over here. Cinder, I'm over here. Come on. Come on. Come on, bring it back. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
Brings a tear to my eye.
I know.
Good girl, Cinder.
Her older sister from a year ago, same breeding, she won't even.
Come on, bring it to Daddy. Come on.
Really?
And Randy's so upset.
Come on, Cinder.
And then this dog came along.
Now, is this yours? Or is this,
Come on.
this is yours? Hope Willie.
Come on.
Oh, good, we got more water.
Yes.
It's stifling hot.
Come on.
It's not that bad.
No?
The breeze is blowing over there. Where I was bad.
Cinder, come on, Cinder. Come on. This way. Come on. This way. Come on. This way. This way. That girl. That girl.
Okay, we're gonna rebird.
Rope her up. Yeah, I rope.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, no, we're not. We got one more.
Randy, I need your duck call.
Oh, shit.
This is my
Yeah,
whistle.
Mark, go ahead and bring one down to Shane.
Here, dribble a little bit.
No. Too many ducks.
Okay. You go ahead and run Scooter for me, dear.